Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Process Monitor on your Windows computer step by step. A Process Monitor is a powerful troubleshooting tool from Microsoft Sysinternals that helps you monitor file system activity, registry access, processes, threads, and network events in real time. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Microsoft Sysinternals website. Download the latest version of Process Monitor to ensure you have the newest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. Yeah, always download the tool from Microsoft's official source for the safest and most reliable version. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the compressed zip file. Right-click the file and choose Extract All, then select a folder where you'd like to extract the contents. After the extraction finishes, open the newly created folder. Inside the folder, you'll find the Process Monitor executable. If you're using a 64-bit version of Windows, run the appropriate executable. I mean, you don't need to go through a traditional installation wizard because Process Monitor is a portable application. When Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to grant administrator permission. Process Monitor will launch and automatically begin capturing system activity. If prompted, accept the license agreement the first time you run the application. And that's it. You now know how to install and launch Process Monitor on your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how